Now, welcome back on Top of the Night Show. Today, on Ministry Monday, me, Easy Pete, and a score for the HR expert, Bumi Onido, sit down for inside studio. Last week, Monday, we've been discussed self-esteem for inside where you for the work. And there plenty of our call that day. And of course, we will list our phone numbers open right now. Our phone numbers go there on Top TV, make you for call, make you follow us discussion on top of the matter of where you work and how your esteem is. Then your ginger, your swagger, whether fear day your body or not, you know. We will continue and then we'll go hand over right now to Bumi Oni and make she continue from where she stopped last week Monday. Over to you. Let's I nearly talk last time I reduce. But I know see you're not be Monica, so continue.
No, now Monica, they always, you get what I'm saying. I know say she watch us now.
Yeah, she'll understand.
She'll understand.
She'll understand.
She not go get.
She not go get her.
Yeah, that's true. You know, say self-esteem, they get effect. Some people don't know. If you get low self-esteem, and those kind of people, we know they motivated.
For people who not follow us last week, if you tell them what be self-esteem,
self-esteem
and what be low self-esteem.
Low self-esteem, now you say person no get confidence.
You don't believe yourself.
You don't believe yourself.
You don't believe yourself.
Now, like they said, now like subconscious fear.
So you go say Easy Bit believe himself because sometimes they show himself.
In fact, Easy Bit
they show himself. They go say Easy Bit play one song or two songs. He go play like 15 or 32. So he show himself.
Yes.
So he believe himself.
Yes. Let me say somebody supposed to get confidence. Not be arrogant. You know, some people they always confuse them.
Okay. Self-esteem, not arrogance.
No, some people they arrogant. They call the thing say, I get high self-esteem. You know, say last week we talk, say, people where they get low self-esteem, and they know they talk quietly. Then a fear of rejection, really.
Because they fear, say, wait, they no go say, they go say, them no...
If I go talk them now, they go say, nah, Bumi spoil them, make I could just leave them, make them talk them. Let me just leave them. And no be so, you know? So, you know good make you they confuse arrogance with self-esteem. So, they get
if you self-esteem sometimes if you define them as being disciplined as well, because guess what, people they go tell you say those ones leave them. If they work for office they were calling their own in clothes go day one way go day PS leave them. If they follow greeter, how are you, good morning, what you say is a day discipline. What you call that now? You go say to me I think they say the person self-esteem they down. So all those things are just fronts, not just cover. I don't know. Now you go talk now. Now you say the pass.
No be so. You know some people, then they people will get high self-esteem.
Yes.
They always get demotivated. And if you look at it, now them they get good job satisfaction.
Okay.
But people with low self-esteem, everything go they like say it's difficult. You know, we talked last week. They no be team player.
Okay.
So everything go very difficult. Then go they talk quietly. They won't ask something now. It go be like question. Go start from 1954, say you see something. But if you get high self-esteem, you go get your facts.
Okay.
Support them. Your guys have gonna say
this person,
not be say you go they take style, they you know. And they one dangerous sign. Where people will get low self-esteem, they display. They very dangerous. You know, say na subconscious. Now be say pessimism.
Pessimism. You know what it be pessimism?
No, I don't know.
Because
you know, say the opposite now optimistic. If you dare optimistic now.
Okay, what it be optimistic?
You go to tell yourself positive.
Say I feel do this thing. Nothing they happen.
Nothing they happen. Even if like something will be say, I don't get the swag. I go learn them.
I go learn.
You know, say person will get high self-esteem. They learn. Because they go calm down, learn, tell themselves, say, this thing, I know sabi, and I want sabi. But person will get low self-esteem, like, waiting they won't teach me safe. Not be this thing, they talk for radio.
I feel do am now.
I feel do am, waiting they there. Now, tell them to sit down and do it.
You not go feed do am.
You not go feed do am.
From Lagos here, good evening. We never talk plenty. Promise. Pro. Continue, because
they say pessimism is a tendency to see the worst aspect of things or believe that the worst will happen. And it is usually caused by a lack of hope or confidence in the future.
Okay, so if you see something, now the person, now let me say, person will get low self-esteem, they get the person
Pessimism.
A pessimism.
They are usually pessimistic people.
Okay, so they're not the optimistic. Meaning say if they see something, I'll do this. If I go do this and I can't go spoil now. They always see bad things.
Then if people they brainstorm now, they get ideas for something like make we do this, make we do them like this. Them now the other side they always see like waiting they do safe. This thing where they do them for 1995.
It not work.
It not work. They do them for 2010. It not work. 2014 we just pass.
It not work. Now I want to do them again.
I beg you.
Hey, can I good evening, Ibiko? Hey, can I? Hello? I am with you, your phone line. On the way, epilepsy, aquaco. It a dumb can dog it. On the way, aquaco. Epilepsy, you see,
Epilepsy now.
na epilepsy.
Na Ebola.
Ebola. Wireless Ebola. Continue.
So that they always see the negativity of everything. If they say, okay, that's why they are not team players. People will get low self-esteem. They're not be team players.
Because all those people be say make them do that thing this year. If it be say that same thing, somebody talking now we say the same thing. If it be say those ones now, they don't see where they be say they go take duam. Why those ones not work? Maybe not their own feel work. But in go down, I beg you.
Wait till they want to. See, people will get low self. They know they get. They know they open to challenges because they know that low self-esteem. They always enter. They feel say.
And those kind of people, they know they go far.
They know they go far because if you look at it statistically, people will get high self-esteem. They say now them they get good jobs. Now them they get promotion. Now them they get the high-paying jobs.
Now they hear them now. If it isn't your village people, they want you say they never give you promotion for work.
You know.
Now you the one you're safe.
Ben.
Your esteem is low, like whoa. And then they talk something now. You has a low self-esteem. Thank God. Say I not talk that thing. I want talk.
Yes.
You know what I be want
I know
talk.
what you want talk.
So it not be your village people they do you now you they do them. Promise you good evening. Proper. You take phone.
Like say they give on the phone.
It from the call. Because person with phone they call. Now you go hide. Go to talk as much. Hello. Continue.
Then they always believe that this world is as bad as it could be, or that the evil.
Now those kind of people they always come out and say, this was bad people up and down. Go outside now. No, very evil people.
Yeah.
Bad people.
This Nigeria is very bad.
This country is very bad. Meanwhile, for this country to be very bad, people they chop money. They spend money up and down.
Waste money.
They waste money. You self they talk say this country they very bad. So now those kind of people you call them say they get low self-esteem.
Yeah. Then they
always take challenges.
They always see everything for workplace. They always see as if everything the weight of this hardship, it done too much. In fact, to get to succeed.
Those kind of people for work now go say, nah, half my brother with the money. Now then they go say, how work? We thank God. We thank God. We just the manager.
Just the manager. How your weekend? In fact, as if that success, they no feel reach am. It dey somewhere. You know, and because they no be team player, they go don't see those people where we say they succeed as those people where because they don't control their mind. Say to negativity, everything has to be. This hardship is too much. I can't do this anymore. I cannot. They know they aspire. They know they believe. Say they will fit. They know they fit face challenges. Move forward. They face challenge because I'm not gonna lie give you. If you not get challenges, not get how you want to grow. You not get whether in an office you do, I bet you get your own business. If you not follow challenges head to head, you not get how you want to blow. As Bumi take talk now. Some of them, not true. Some of them, they will look people when they say they promote those where they chop money. Yeah. Leave them. Now Illuminati them be. Now Illuminati, they know they can't juju where they do. Exactly. They don't know the juju where they do. Meanwhile, now you they do yourself. Continue, Biko. So they say people with from Jos. Good evening. Jacob. I say,
I can hear you.
How is you?
I'm with
Again, hello?
It's like your practice along with
I
said, I'm saying it now, but not the
Oh! I bet call us back. It be like say epilepsy, they do your line. Please, call us back. Continue. They say people will get high self-esteem. They have better work experiences than people
with low self-esteem.
Okay.
Now, me say those ones, they get job satisfaction. And if you look at it statistically, you know, so we talk, say statistics don't read them. They say people with high self-esteem, then they get core self-evaluation because they don't evaluate themselves. They don't face challenges. Nobody say they too know face challenges. But when you have challenges, you rise up to them. Nobody say you rise up to them like, oh, this thing. Nobody say you go do 100% because even machine, no they 100% efficient. But you go rise up to your challenge. Maybe say, I feel do this thing. Then they get positive self-concept.
Positive self-concept.
You know, people with low self-esteem, they get negative self-concept because they always tell themselves,
say they not fit do am.
I no fit do am. People when they do am, they don't go do something behind.
They don't
go
do
bribe. Now them they bribe. Now them they do. In fact, they sleep for select church for 50 days. Do this, you know. They don't control.
Or maybe get where then they promote. You go say, he does sleep with Oga. Yeah, he does sleep with Oga. I dey see me when if
you don't see them before. If he say the call where she they receive this money, say now God they call him. The other one gone they tell her, no wonder me say for the say I don't do this office like 7 years. When she come.
Wait,
she
that one.
Come
we just come with you there.
yesterday.
Wait, just yesterday. Don't promote her. You there here now 7 years, nothing.
They can't turn him to team lead. What is she the lead for the team? I beg, I don't get time for all those kind of
we know.
And we know how they do it.
And that kind of when that maybe that girl now they can't call for meeting. When that girl, leave her. He dey sleep with Oga. He dey sleep.
How come now Oga they carry go meeting all the time?
Because Oga believe in them. Oga no say it's a big work.
Exactly. You see, say last week we talked, say some people will get low self-esteem. You won't go ask for raise. You go come they start the thing from question. You see, I don't dare yet 10 years. You see, support them with facts. Where your Oga go know say yes, this person is Sabiam. Then they get better job performance.
Of course now. Of course now. You know what make me remember for Abuja that time. You get one place where they work for Abuja that time for Wuse too, for one stockbroking firm that time. You get one girl waiting for the office. Every time they complain. I did marketing that time. Every time they complain. Every time. Marketing. People not they invest though. Nobody they want to invest inside stock. Nobody want to invest inside stock. Now only me and one other girl, Jane. And the other one, and what two they come out where we go, you carry money, come back, carry money. You know, Conte. Not beside the Prago. They come make me head of marketing. That guy not today they sack him because of this low. Now I can't believe say to
low
self-esteem.
Yeah, low self-esteem.
Now I reason now. I don't agree saying low self-esteem. If I good evening, you have a low self-esteem. I hope say your line not get low self-esteem. Hello. Hey, good evening. How you doing? You sure say na not be our line they good give this wahala.
Give our line now.
If I dey hear you. Talk to me.
Okay.
Again. Hey. Wo adu kwa mumma. Ndi be kwa adu we disi afa. Iwo se ke gbo anye. Hello? Thank you. Continue our line.
Then they get higher income. Because
of course now, they get the work
then higher work motivation and reduced stress and burnout.
Okay.
Because they don't see anything as big deal.
Now, may I ask you this one, is it bit I don't know whether you agree for this thing.
Yeah.
People, when they be say for office, they get their own work where they do. They go do this work. Then the normal work where they say they do be that.
Yeah.
Then later, your cousin they do this one, they do this one, they do that one. No, you want to go do everything. Other people for office go they brief them. Say you know now ITK, I too know. Now they do everything. You not go face your work where they give you they do. You want to do everything together. Now you get company.
People like that get high self-esteem because they fit multitask.
Okay.
You see, because they get team spirit, then get team effort.
Okay.
So there are other people who get high self-esteem also. You remember say last week we talked say no be single work, not be individual.
Yes.
Now team spirit, now teamwork.
Yes.
So why that person where they multitask? No be only him they do them. The team we get high self-esteem also, then follow and join. So it go quick they achieve. So when they achieve for here, they move there. When they achieve for so before you know it, everything don't become routine for them. You know, be big deal for them.
Not be only her department. At least she go get more experience. She go know what they do for this place. She go know what they do for this place.
Yeah.
Even for her CV next time again, she go write and say, okay, apart from I do this one, so I still do all other this one.
So it means that they fit multitask because they get that team spirit. But some people we get low self-esteem. It go see them before they even give them. How much they pay me?
My brother, not my papa get the company. Make I do the one. No, my papa get company. Make I do the one.
How much they pay me?
How much then they pay?
The one way I do say for how much they pay me for this Congo. I beg, I no get time for that one. Now my job, this now my job description. Now here they say make I stay. I know they like to pass my boundary. Now you go see people like that go they set boundary for office, no seat for my child.
Albert, they do that thing. Say, this TV not be my work, not be my work, not be my work. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Good evening, sir. How is you?
Yeah, fine.
Favor.
Yeah.
Tekwan, how is you?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, sir.
No worry, I beg, Mona no vex. This of now we they try call us. It's Mona no vex. Our line, they get akoko, epilepsy, they do am.
And Ebola.
And Ebola. Spiritual Ebola, not physical. Data more not fear. Spiritual Ebola, they do am. So no bona way they call get problem. Now our line, I get problem. I beg if you just no vex, no call for today. If you go on top Twitter, go send us tweet messages. If you get question or if you get anything you want to go on top Twitter, at W Night Show, at W Night Show. Phone line. Ebola. Thank you.
Then people we get low self-esteem. Now them they ask plenty question for office.
Person when no go ask question now.
No, their own they ask for permission over and over this pencil. They won't use this pencil now. You go first come. Excuse me. I go fit use no be say that this pencil I won't use. That pen I won't use actually, but it be like say the pen na green. Wait, I won't use that for you. Will be okay. Go and use it.
Take. Go and use.
You go. 5 minutes later, I go come back. Excuse me. That pencil I don't say not be 2B, na HB, and I know
that one a spiritual problem.
You know the guy go say use any type of pencil. Go. You go. Come back again. I want one message where they send me. I never go. And if I no go, if Oga come, if he give me query. So I want to maybe make I leave it here they do, make I quick go down one. If I go do them, then come back again. You say we come, they wonder how many hours you want to achieve today's delivery.
Just one thing.
Just one thing. So that they always, in fact, most of the time, now those kind of people, they always beg issues for office. They will leave the work, just they ask for necessary. And then people like that, they will send you 50 emails. Because now lack of confidence. If you know what they do, you don't convey everything. One single message, pam. But people will get low self-esteem. Go sit down on top only one single thing. Come write long mail. You say
they talk from experience. They don't say that kind of mail.
Those kind of mails they fly very well. they fly very, very well. Now you go no say. This person, if I you for your mind, then you go they think say this person no get work because if this person get work, if he's sabi waiting to do, no go send me this long paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4. At the end of it, you no go see the main
message waiting for inside the mail.
When you reply that kind of mail, you go find out that maybe 5 minutes the person will respond to you again. Maybe the key point when you think say you and I'm they the same level, you go feel respond, you know respond, you go ask you again. Say, how this? So most of the time, just convey everything you need.
And when they want sack, now that kind of person quick, then go range take sack.
Yes, because people like that, their superiors perceive them to be ineffective. They just they waste time.
They just waste salary.
Waste company time. Something was supposed to be team effort. Only them go single themselves out because if you say yes, meeting they do safe way and no. All this we don't do same. I beg you. Them they go they say performance appraiser. I don't need them. They know say they perform for this office. If to say I don't perform for this office, they don't go keep me in this job for over 7 years. I they perform. It's going to performance appraiser. Then when you can't set some kind criteria for performance appraiser, against with this kind of thing, maybe we don't do. When Mr. Jagbe was here, we do pass this one. I think this one come. They come say that they use this one, the assessors. Which kind of mumu thing be this? I mean, I don't get time for all this kind of form. They rush this. I beg. If they know, say I don't perform. If I don't sack me since, I don't they do this job since.
They don't call sack out.
When time to read. Yes, now. When you don't do performance appraisal, because say submit, submit. When they assess, nothing to assess, say I beg. this time there's competition now.
You can't go church, go to do prayer and fasting. You go say evil people, village people don't pursue. Meanwhile, I the pursue yourself.
Exactly. So those kind of people, you don't need them for your system. No point. Make you just let them, make they just go. JJ.
Okay.
Yeah. So how you can control self-esteem?
So how you go take control of self-esteem? When you be say you not go day too bad. Anyway, my mom got small chicken break for you, no vex. When we come back, we go continue with how you go take control self-esteem because I know the plenty of now where they watch now. You don't see yourself say they guilty. You say if you do these things for your office. But more got small chicken break for you, and when we come back, we will continue it on how to take for control low self-esteem for where you they work. Will they come back?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.